and welcome back to A Cup of Chic. So today's video I'm doing something that I've never done before, but I thought you guys might like it. I asked a few people in the comments if they thought they might like something like this, and they said yes. So then I thought maybe then it is actually worth filming this, and I actually haven't seen any videos like this on YouTube, so I thought this might be something unique. And anyways, that is an updated review on my Cluny BB. I got this bag for Valentine's Day last year, and so I realized that, wow, I've had this bag for a whole year. Maybe they'd be interested in seeing my thoughts on this bag now, and you know, how often I use it, any wear and tear, anything like that. So if you want to see my now thoughts on this bag, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you haven't seen my first review on this bag, I'll leave it up in the cards and down below, so you probably want to check that out. Either pause this video, come back, or watch it after this one. But this is the Cluny BB. I have it in the black. You can also get it in, I don't know if you can still get it in the light pink, but I know you can get it in like the classic canvas, and I think they also come out with like different special edition ones. So if you don't want black, there's other options there. I'll leave links to this bag down below, because then you'll be able to see all the other options that you might be able to get in your area, because it might differ than here in Canada. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Again, I have the little monogram A right there, which I've never taken this off. I thought maybe I would, just to kind of accessorize this bag differently, but to be honest, I just love the all black monochromatic look of this bag, with the A right there just, you know, being stamped in black, and then again with the LV, the black on black. I just really love the simplicity and the chicness, if that's even a word, of the monochromatic of this bag. So definitely love that. As you saw in my original video, I had the pom-pom on it. I still wear it with that pom-pom sometimes. I also love accessorizing it with a colorful scarf in the summer, or you know, with a specific outfit if I want to wear this classic bag but kind of want to jazz it up a little bit. So I love that this is really a blank canvas. It's so understated that people don't really look twice at it. They don't really recognize it. I do have some Louis Vuitton bags that people are constantly looking at, which doesn't bother me either way. But just if you want something very understated and something that people will not recognize as Louis Vuitton, if you just kind of want it for the quality and everything, then definitely this is your bag, because it is so simple, so understated. If someone doesn't know a lot about bags, they will not recognize this as Louis Vuitton. The leather has been doing so well. I mean, like I said, I've worn this for a whole year. I honestly don't see any damage. I mean, I don't even know if you guys will see, but like on here, there's like, you know, the slightest scratches. Like on these little feet, there's the slightest scratches, but honestly, it's just from like putting the bag down. If it just shows that the bag's not brand new and that the bag has been worn, but like the corners of the fabric, all the stitching, everything is still so well kept. And again, I still love the silver hardware. I tend to wear a lot of silver jewelry. I have a silver watch, silver rings. I do tend to wear gold necklaces, but that's irrelevant. So I really like the silver accent. Although I do think just because it has silver, again, it is so minimal that don't feel like you have to revolve your whole outfit around it being chrome and not being gold, because you're not really going to notice. And there's such a big trend with mixing metals that the fact that this is silver, and most bags nowadays, I think at least, are gold, I don't think that should stop you from wanting or getting this bag. Also up here, it still looks so good. Like, you would have no idea. There's no wrinkles in the leather, no rips in the leather. Everything is so pristine. And I do wear it a lot like this by its handle, or even like this. So, you know, it does get a lot of wear here from jackets and, you know, shirts and stuff like that. So yeah, that is the outside. Again, looking as fabulous as ever. I do, if you guys have seen my more recent bag review, I do tend to gravitate towards smaller bags nowadays, but I would not by any means say that this is a big bag. It is the Cluny BB, which means it's the smallest one out of them all. Which also, side note quick here, would you guys like to see a comparison video between the Cluny BB and the Alma BB? Because I do have the Alma BB bag. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a comparison between those two. I was kind of thinking that for like next week or something. So make sure to give this video a like if you want to see that. Anyways, back to this bag. So again, it has the crossbody strap. I, to be honest, always just really leave the crossbody strap on, or if it's really in my way, I mean, normally I just let it hang anyways. But if it is really in my way, or if it's really bothering me, or if it's for like an evening, that's the only time when I really wouldn't wear this. I normally just store it in the bag. So like I'll just take it off and put it in the bag. That way, if I ever need it or I change my mind and I want to wear it, I just have it there ready to go. So I just normally just roll it up and put it inside. And if it's kind of in the way, you can always put it in the zipper pocket, but I normally just store it in there. Okay, so let's check here to see if there's any, you know, significant scratches or anything. And to be honest, I can't see anything at all. There's nothing. It all looks perfect. Even the suede, I haven't spilt anything or anything, but even if you did, it's black. And I was told by my sales associate that if you ever were to spill anything on this, like if you had a lighter color, like the pink one or something, that not to use chemicals or anything, just use water and a little cloth and just kind of work it out. Now, I'm not currently wearing this bag right now. I'm using my little twist chain bags, so this doesn't really have anything in it. I mean, I have a little bit of cash, some mints, and what's this? Oh, a little perfume. Like I said in my last one, I always like to keep a little perfume. I kind of keep a little perfume in every bag. Clearly, I have another one. Oh, some bobby pins. I feel like if you search in the bottom of each and every one of my bags, you'll either find a bobby pin, a few bobby pins, or a hair tie, because those just always end up on the bottom of your bag, and I feel like I never want to empty those because you always need one. So that's what's in there, and let's see if there's anything in here. Oh, some Hall's cough drops, because hey, you never know when you need these either, so why empty those out? So anyways, that is the inside, still as beautiful as ever, works amazingly. And so yeah, that's it for wear and tear. Really, the only thing I would say is there's very slight scratches on the bottom feet, which on camera you can't even see. That's how small they are. Like, I really am squinting to see these. But that would have been just from like putting it down on, you know, a table, or I don't know, maybe on like concrete or something maybe. I'm not exactly sure when I would have scratched those, but because I'm not really sure when I would have scratched those, because I never really put my bag on the floor or on any other surface but like my counter or the table or something. So I'm not exactly sure when I did that, but if that's all it is in a whole year of, I'd have to say I've definitely used this bag quite a bit. If I'm not using one of my really small bags, it's this one. Like, this one never gets put away. It's always just in my closet. Where my other bags, I kind of put them away and bring them out because they're more like for certain outfits or for certain seasons, where this one I can wear it all year round with any outfit. Which also reminds me, make sure you're subscribed and you have your post notifications turned on. That's that little bell. Because Sunday's video is going to be a how to style your Cluny BB, because lots of people and lots of posts on Pinterest and everything are people always wear this bag very conservative and very business-like, and I don't think you have to be a business person or wear this business-like at all. Like, I think you can rock this athleisurely, you know, to whatever event, to a fancy event at night, or, you know, just with jeans and a t-shirt, or to work or whatever. So I think this is definitely like an all-round bag you can wear with anything. So I thought, why don't I style this bag for you guys, give you some outfit ideas, super simple things that you guys can recreate if you have this bag, or if you have another bag that's like super sophisticated that you feel like you can't wear on a daily basis, I got you. So, like I said, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you have your post notifications turned on, because that'll be up on Sunday. So yeah, that is it for this little bag review. 1 year later, I am still very much in love with this bag. I've never, out of all my bags, wanted to sell one, so I definitely will have them forever. So if you guys want me to do any other kind of updated bag reviews, maybe on my Speedy 30 or my Speedy 25, because I do use those bags for very different purposes nowadays. So if you guys have any other kind of updated reviews that you would like to see on any of my bags, then make sure to leave those in the comments. I love chatting with you guys in the comments, so even if you don't have an idea, just say hi in the comments. I love chatting with you guys, so make sure to comment down below. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this updated bag review, and make sure again to comment down below if you have any other bag reviews you want me to do, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye!
Oh.